ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
วัดละบารอกิพายขมัดชาวบาวินเซนต์เอชปาลากมวยนิกินองเอลัมบาลาอีบาจงกเซงคอนเกรสเฮนเรย์กับบปลิงงอยกิบบบนบาลังกะลองบ่นองเอลัมจงกคอนเกรสเลจิสเลเจอร์พาร์ตี้อุดรมุกุลสังมาอุลาจานักจิงเอลังเป็นสแคมอยู่บาวินเซนต์เอชปาลาอุบาลาชิมทีปูราคุมประธานอุบัติมาจงกเซงคอนเกรสฮักนิกจิลลาเมกาลียาดังเช่นดรมุกุลสังมาอุลาเปปรูฮักจิงลังเปียงบุรมจงกเซงคอนเกรสยกิสันงดกิเรียวเปาขมันกิบกันทบยาวบาเป็นชงาน NSA อุบาโรเบิร์ตจีลิงดอกับดรเฟเนลาลิงดอนองไลอุบาเอเดรียนมิลเลียมบัดอุบามอสโจวันสเวดกับบาลองฮันองบาชลองหากจิงยากรันบัดกิลาดปะไทยคูบอรุบาวินเซนต์เอชปาลาอุลาองบาเลเซกจิงเปปจงดรมุกุลสังมาบันวันสักฮิลังหากนิกสงีกะลาบันลองเลเซบาสงอตนัดสัตยายู
No, it's not a question of doesn't like. He doesn't come here today. It may be, I said, it may be. I want to be transparent in my journey. I don't want to hide the truth. I want to be transparent in my journey because I know the people of Meghalaya is not full. Even I try to hide here, I try to hide there. That's why I think it's my job. I'll go and meet him. I'll take the guidance of the general secretaries and the in charge. I'll take the guidance of Dr. Celestine Longdo and many others. I'll definitely meet him. I've just joined today. Actually, as soon as my appointment was announced, I flew all the way from Delhi to Shillong. Me and along with Dr. Bom, I wanted to meet him, but it was an assembly session, so he cannot. At the same time, me also asked my children are studying outside. I need to get my visa done, interview done, fingerprint done, so I went back to Delhi. Then after that I came back here, I tried to meet him again, assembly sessions was there. I could not meet him, but I need also to see all the preparations, people coming all over the state should come here, so we were busy. So definitely it's my job, I'll try to meet him. He used to be a dear friend of mine, a senior leader. It may not be against me, it may be against him also, it may be against anybody also. So definitely we'll see. It's too early to say, but his absence today, I think I should be transparent to everybody. Maybe then it's my job, I'll do. But I always consider him as the boss in the party and as a friend. You know, legislators in Garuls, mainly Mukul's family and friends and all the Congress who were there. So naturally, if he's not there, others will not there. And this is an open fight. So I think that the other day Marthan Sama came, today Deborah came. So I think there must be something. That's why I told you that I will try to see that things are in order. Garo Hills is almost as big as Khasi Hills. We have 24 constituencies. Definitely, I'll take whenever I take a decision, I'll take the opinion of Dr. Mukul. I'll take the opinion of Zenith. I'll take the opinion of Deborah. I'll take the opinion of many other leaders, including a man like Sar Singh Marak. I already had a words over phone with him. And many are leaders who have left the party. And see, only Mukul Sangma, Zenith Sangma, Pala, Dr. Bom will not do. We have to take everybody. As I already said, today we are less in number, but we are not less in value. So we have to see that everybody contribute. I definitely will have a good team, we'll have a good survey, we'll have a good technology. When we fight the election, we fight with knowledge, with information in our hands, and definitely I'll take everybody's views and ideas. And it's not that when we take everybody's views and ideas, then we don't implement or we implement. We'll see the best. Whatever ideas we take, as a party, we normally used to give in writing to the AICC. AICC will give us approval. So even for appointment of a district president, appointment of general secretaries, all these appointments I cannot do on my own. It has to be with the approval of the AICC. So it will not be my view alone or Dr. Mukul's alone. It will be with the approval, consultations. We have very experienced men like James and all. Definitely is my job. And normally that is a practice to take. Without Dr. Bom as an old president, I will not know about the future. So we have to connect the old, the present, and then only we can move for the future. Yeah, definitely, maybe at the beginning, that's why we need negotiations with friends. I think definitely that's not a new thing. MLAs will come and go. But when we go there, I'll not go as an MP, I'll go as a congressman. When I call them, I'll not call them as an MLA only, I will call them also as a congressman. So Congress is within the family. So we call them as a Congress workers, as a Congress within family. I think there should be no problem of working as a family and as a Congress.